Yo, what's up guys? Teacher Paul up here, and today we have a coffee request. If you want to request a video, link is in the description or click over there. Thank you for the support. This is a coffee request by Ivan, and Ivan says, this is a clip with Calle from Ikväll med Ylvis. Calle actually has a really good voice. I think I will send you this one, and you will be the first to react to this clip. Really? Nobody else reacted to this clip? Wow, okay. How come? Let's check it out. This is Ylvis.
Endelig den her. Calle Hellevangs Airhorn Classics.
Airhorn Classics. Wow.
Tidløse klassikere I ny drakt. Hør instrumentet med den uforglemmelige klangen I samspill med Norges vakreste stemmer.
Airhorn Classics.
Det norske jentekor. Hanne Sørvåg.
Why is this funny?
Edvard Antonsen.
That one makes sense. That really makes sense. Whoa! John Farnham! The voice. Guys, is this song famous in Norway? John Farnham, the voice? You're the voice, try to understand that. Like, is that famous in Norway? Oh, wow. I reacted to so much of John Farnham. In fact, in my main channel, we're doing a John Farnham full episode. Bro, listen. On my main channel, we have a full series of John Farnham, the history of John Farnham. We are on episode 23 right now, and it tells you his beginning until like present, from Sadie to now. So if you guys want to go check that out, it's on my main channel called Teacher Paul Reacts, where I do all the international videos. This is my Nordic channel where I do Nordic. So Australia is over there. So go check out. Go on YouTube right now and go Teacher Paul Reacts John Farnham, or the history of John Farnham, and you'll watch it. Man, this is so cool. This is so nice to know that this song is famous in Norway.
Sigvart Dagsland.
How sweet the sound that saved a wretch like I was lost.
Og la deg forføre av en Heine Totland I storform.
Love drives a man insane. You broke my will, but what a thrill. Goodness gracious, balls of fire. She's up all night to let. I'm up all night to get. She's up all night for good. I'm up all night to get lucky.
Kjøp Airhorn Classics nå. Ikke gå glipp av bonussporet. Calles største hit. The Fox.
Calle is actually very good.
Kjøp mesterverket Airhorn Classics I dag.
It's funny how the simple things actually make you laugh, right? He just had an idea of, let's do some Airhorn classics. Fantastic. Fantastic. These are classic songs. I didn't know John Farnham was like famous in Norway. That is absolutely cool. Guys, that was fun. I really like Calle. I think his voice is great. And thank you, Ivan, for sending this in. If you guys want to do like Ivan did and request a video, link is in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys are enjoying the Ylvis reactions. This is always bringing a smile to my face because they're always so creative. It's always very simple, and it gets a laugh out of you. So, like, who would have thought we're going to do an air horn type of classic? And Ivan said that I'm the first one to react to this. Why aren't more people watching this? Anyways, guys, if you want to request a video, click over here. If you want to watch my Ylvis playlist, click over here. Take care now. Bye-bye.